In an increasingly demanding security industry, Hanchett Entry Systems, HES, an ASSA ABLOY Group company, is committed to offering products that meet and exceed customer demands for both aesthetics and durability. The new HES 9400 Slimline surface-mounted electric strike is in a class of its own. The HES 9400 electric strike is completely surface-mounted with a unique half-inch slimline design that's ideal for half-inch throw rim exit devices in steel, aluminum, or wood frames. It is UL 1034 listed and exceeds ANSI BHMA Grade 1 standards. The HES 9400 features an all-new profile. A separate decorative cover conceals the mounting screws and offers a sleek surface for both superior looks and added strength. The HES 9400 Slimline surface-mounted electric strike is also fast and easy to install. Step 1. Frame preparation. To begin installing the HES 9400, mark the latch center line on the door frame as shown here. Next, align and tape the supplied template on the frame and mark or punch holes for strike mounting and power. In case you're installing on an aluminum frame with a blade stop, you'll need to use the template to cut the blade stop to accommodate the length of the strike. Step 2. Drill holes for power wires and strike. Drill the 3/4 inch hole in the frame, and then the 1/4 inch mounting holes for the HES 9400. The next step is to tap both the mounting holes for screw threads as shown. Next, pull the power wires through the frame and 3/4 inch hole. Step 3. Connect the wires. To connect the wires, select the appropriate plug-in pigtail for the strike voltage, either 12 volts DC or 24 volts DC, and connect it to the wires inside of the frame. If no connector is present, refer to the 12 volt to 24 volt conversion diagram in the installation instructions. Step 4. Mounting the strike body. Plug the strike connector to the pigtail in the frame and push the wires back into the frame. Align the strike body with the mounting holes drilled in the frame and attach using the supplied mounting screws. Step 5. Check horizontal adjustment. Once you've mounted the strike body, the next step is to check for horizontal adjustment. Without the cover on, close the door. Once the door is closed, check to make sure there's no play that could cause the door to rattle. If it rattles, you may need to adjust the strike toward or away from the latch bolt until the strike is in the optimum horizontal position. Once the strike is in the position, tighten down the set screws using a standard hex key. Step 6. Converting Failsecure to Failsafe. The HES 9400 Slimline electric strike ships Failsecure. If you need to convert to Failsafe mode, which is when the strike keepers are unlocked without power and locked when power is applied, the 9400 features a new easy conversion method. Inside the strike body there are selector stop pins, one on left and one on right side of the body. Convert the strike to Failsafe by removing the selector stop pins from their Failsecure positions. Move these selector stop pins to the Failsafe position, which is towards the keepers or the center of the strike. Remember to tighten down the selector stop pins after they've been moved. Next, verify that the 9400 is in Failsafe mode. Both keepers should be unlocked without power, but lock when power is supplied. Step 7. Install the cover. The next step is to apply the decorative cover. To do so, simply place the cover on the strike body and attach it using the 4 6/32 by 1/4 inch cover screws provided. Step 8. Test the installation. To complete the installation of the HES 9400, close the door and test the application to make sure the strike is working properly. Choosing the HES 9400 Slimline electric strike for use with half-inch rim exit devices means you get slimline beauty, easy installation, and reliable strength. Joining the HES 9500 and 9600 series, the 9400 Genesis 3 is the newest addition to the leading line of surface-mounted electric strikes. To learn more about the HES 9400 Slimline surface-mounted electric strike, contact HES Customer Support or visit www.hesinnovations.com.